Hello YouTube, my name is Dennis, and today I'm going to show you how to build car detailing database using Microsoft Access. And as you can see I have already gotten the outline of this database written down, so we can just go over this quickly and jump to Microsoft Access and build this database. As you can see, we're gonna do three things, which is gonna build a table, which is for the information collection or input. Then we're gonna build a form, which is also the information collection, the input, and the report, information reporting, the output of this database. And the database, in the table, we're gonna have two parts: the customer info and the car and service info. And if we move down to the table, this is the customer info, our data point, our variables. I call it whoa. This thing is crazy. There we go, and we're gonna have our titles, the customer info right here, and we're gonna have the first name of the customer, the last name, and the full name. The full name is gonna be an expression, which is a calculated field, which is the first name and the last name, separated by space. This is how we're going to formulate it. As you can see, first name ampersand the column, and the space column ampersand, and the last name, and the address, short text, city, short text, state, short text, zip. It goes the same all the way to telephone. And the part 2, which is the car and service info, we're gonna have the service date. Data type is time date. The service name, which is a lookup value. The car name, the model, the year, the VIN number, service price. Moving on to discount, and finally total price. And this one, which is very important, that's your net income. If you want to make more money, the net service date, that's the it's a date, time, data type. And we will move to the form, build a form, and the form is gonna be same information as the table information, so I don't need to write it down. Just transfer all the information from the table to the form. And finally, we're gonna report this information using the report design. And as you can see, this is a simplified version of their form. As you can see, I have the full name and it's the same as earlier as what we have on the table and also on the form. And the address, we're gonna short text from table or the form, so it's a transfer. And the city, state, zip code, as you can see, this is all in one line, and we're gonna add it all together separated by space or a comma. So we can put a comma in between here so that it will be separated by a comma. Telephone and the part 2, service date, car name, model, year, and same thing, we can separate it by space or comma. And the total price, and finally next service date. So as you can see, this is the outline. Let's jump to Microsoft Access and have this started. Car, name this car detailing. Database, and yes. Here we go. Car detail database, block table. And we're gonna add customer ID, first name, last name. Save this. Full name, and it's a calculated field. So last first name, the ampersand, column, space, semicolon, and the last name. So we have this is the expression. We're moving on to the address, city, state, zip code, telephone, service date, service name, car name, model, year, yes, VIN number, service price, discount, let's save all this. Total price. It's a calculated field. And it's equal to service price minus service price times discount. Put this one in brackets. And finally, next service date. Let's format all this. As you can see, zip code, go to input max. Yes, have a zip code format. I take this last one off, finish. Save, telephone input max, and finish. This is going to be a number. Service price is a currency, and this is a number. It's percent. Single percent, and I will take 2 decimal places. Save this. Yes. and this is a date, time, data type. Let's save, go to datasheet view. Let's try this out. Well, it works. 25 FDS street. And 0631 720 000000. Service date is today, and it's a Toyota. Oh, let's save this and go back to design view. In the service name, look up wizard, and I want to type in the values. Body wash, engine wash, inside detailing, window, wash, tires, wash, and finish. Save, and let's go back and finish. So inside detailing, so it's a Toyota, and it's a Prius 208. I'll leave the VIN number, and it's $50, 5%, and here we go. And the next service date is next month, so and this should be a save this. Let's go back here. Total price. Single currency, 2 decimal places, and save. Now we got it. Let's save this.